Scrunchies adds color and style to your updos. This tutorial will show you how to sew your scrunchies in 2 ways. Easily create your scrunchies using scrap fabric pieces, elastic, needle and thread, or a sewing machine. Print and cut out your pattern. Cut the fabric in your preferred scrunchie size. With the right side facing up, fold your fabric crosswise and pin into place. Sew the short edges of your folded fabric together with a centimeter seam allowance. Lay out your sewn fabric and fold the top portion of the fabric lengthwise twice and hold into place. Take the bottom portion of the fabric and fold lengthwise. Pin into place. Sew the bottom part of the fabric with a centimeter seam allowance. Upon reaching the end, remove the pins and pull the inner portion out. Continue sewing the fabric together. Leave an inch of the fabric unsewn. Turn your fabric inside out through the opening. Take your elastic and cut 7.5 inches of elastic. Take a safety pin and pin into one end of the elastic. Take another safety pin and secure the other into the opening of your scrunchie. This will help you easily maneuver the elastic into the scrunchie. Pull the elastic through the fabric. Overlap the elastic, forming a circle. Sew into place. Insert the elastic and the unsewn seam. Sew the opening closed. You have just completed your scrunchie. Cut out your fabric using your preferred scrunchie pattern size. With the wrong side facing up, pin a centimeter of the short end of the fabric into place. Repeat for the other end. Sew both short ends of the fabric. Lay your fabric with the right side facing up and fold lengthwise. Secure into place using pins. Sew the edges of the fabric together, leaving a centimeter seam allowance. Turn your fabric inside out. Cut 7.5 inches of elastic and attach a safety pin on one end. Attach another safety pin on the other end. Secure the other end in the opening of the scrunchie. Pull the elastic through the fabric. Overlap the elastic and sew into place. Insert one end of the scrunchie into the other opening. Flatten and center the elastic. Sew into place. You can download the scrunchie patterns for small, medium, and large scrunchies on our website. Visit the links in the description box below. Thank you for watching.